Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing you how to make a YouTube short. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing you how to make a YouTube short out of your existing video in your YouTube channel. So here you pulled out a video. This is my video about charcoal powder natural whitening review. That is Mike, and you in the bottom here there's a remix, so you click the remix, and here there is edit into a short, so you click that, and here you can pick whatever you like for 15 seconds. I only make 15 seconds, but you can make more than that, like up to 1 minute, but I just like it 15 seconds. So I will pick best part of this YouTube video, and then like that, and then click next. It's processing. Take a seconds for processing. Then you click next here in the top, and then here, this is it. You can put your title here, and you can edit your, where's that? Yeah, you can make it public, and yeah, so you can do everything that after this. But if you don't want your thumbnail, you can change it by clicking that pin in the top, and then you pick a thumbnail, like if you like that thumbnail, uh, you like that thumbnail, and then you click done, and then here's your thumbnail. Then you can do your title and editing your description, and you're good to go. It's ready to upload. Just click upload short. And that's all for today. I hope you learned something. You take care. Bye.